Well, we brought down our new assistant district attorneys to learn about the difference between legal and illegal firearms. I was particularly impressed by the presentation by the Orangetown Police Department detectives on ghost guns. That's a new scourge that we're facing, where these guns can be made at home without sufficient identification markings, so they're very difficult to track. I want to thank Chief Butterworth and the Town of Orangetown Police Department for having this presentation today.
The District Attorney's Office had contacted us, and we cooperate on anything with them where we can gain knowledge, where we can give some of the knowledge that our officers have, and we work in cooperation. And we're getting a lot out of this training as well, because we're getting questions from some of the assistant district attorneys that we need to look into. They're getting, some answers that we have that I'm sure they'll follow up on. But it's always good to work together.
The training here was excellent. So before I came to the district attorney's office, I had no idea about any firearms or how they worked, or even the magazine or what would make them a felony. But after today's training, after the presentation and being able to hold the guns, it was extremely helpful. Now I know what's legal, so now when I see a gun, I don't have to automatically assume it's illegal. But now going through the training, seeing which guns are legal, little things that you can put in even from loaves and things like that to make it illegal was phenomenal.
This rifle illegal, felony in New York State. Now if somebody's in from Pennsylvania, they've got this in their truck, legal in their state, and they're driving from Pennsylvania, and it's locked in their trunk, separated from the ammunition, and they go from Pennsylvania, and the next state, they're going to North Carolina. Is that legal for them to transport through the state?
It's legal in North Carolina.
Legal where it starts, legal where they finish, legal to carry through the state. But can they get off that highway and spend a night?
No.
Could they pull off in the rest area and get fuel and food and use the restroom and then leave?
Yes.
Under federal law, they can. Just something to think about, right?
It's vitally important that our assistant district attorneys and representatives of the district attorney's office work with police and detective bureaus in Rockland County. We need to have a seamless spread of information between police, detectives, and our district attorney's office so we can ensure that there's a proper prosecution of all cases. It's the police departments that are on the scene and do the job, but we need to have that material presented to the district attorney's office so we can go to court and prosecute the case.
It was very interesting considering I have absolutely no experience with weapons or firearms. So to actually be able to see what's considered legal and illegal, what might be a felony, was very informative, and to just be able to, see all the different types of guns that are out there currently.
Today was a very good example of how the district attorney's office and Orangetown Police Department can work together to ensure the safety of the people of Rockland County.